In this tutorial, I want to walk through how to create static or standalone pages on your blog, because you will need these to be kind of separate from the kind of date-stamped posts that you create for your kind of learning journal entries. You want some pages that will sort of function just like web pages do. So when you log back into your blog, you usually land at this sort of, again, backstage area, and you go to this left navigation column here to get your options. And so you have posts, and so if you go there, it's going to show you what the posts are that you've made so far, and you can go in and edit them or delete them, whatever you need to do. And you notice also right below the posts option, you have a pages option. So just to create that, and that means create these static or standalone sort of web pages for your blog. So I'm going to go ahead and create a few of those, and these are the ones that you'll need to create for your project blog as well. So I'm going to click on Pages. Gives you a fairly simple interface. You just click on New Page, give it a title. So I'm going to call this first one Bibliography. And then I'm going to go ahead and publish that. And then I'm going to click on New Page again. And I'm going to label this one Project Description and publish that one. Click on New Page again. I need one for the final report. Oops. Publish that one. I'll need a new one for let's see, slide presentation. Publish that one. And then a new one, and I think this is the last one you'll need, is for the artwork you'll be doing in conjunction with your project. So I'm just going to call this one Artwork. So now what you see is I've got 5 pages now: an artwork page, slide presentation, final report, project description, bibliography. I'll make sure I've got those all there. I think that's my whole list. So basically then, if you go to view blog now, you don't see those links anywhere, right? And so that's the next step in this process, is you have to create a navigation bar on your blog so that you can have these links to pages be part of the overall design. So I'm going to click back on the design, and that'll take me back to the backstage area. And then I am going to click on Layout. Instead of Posts or Pages, I'm going to click Layout. And then I'm going to scroll down, and you see that we've got this is just basically the modules or whatnot on the interface, and so it's giving you the navigation bar, the header bar. And then here you see this interesting cross-column and add a gadget option. So you're going to click on add a cross-column gadget. So I'm just going to click that, and then that's going to pull up this little side menu here that I'm going to look down here for the one that says Pages, and that displays a list of standalone pages on your blog. That's what you want, and so I'm going to click that little plus sign there to add that gadget. And then notice on the side here, and I don't really need a title for this, but so I'm going to go ahead and take that off of there. I can then say which ones of these I want to show, and I think I can change the name of home, which is going to land on the the date stamped blog posts page when someone goes to your blog. I'm going to call that, I'm going to rename it Learning Journal, and see if that'll work. And then I want to click to show all these pages now. And I want to put them in order. So the first one you're going to be doing is your project description. I'm going to put that at the top. Oops. Come on here. Maybe it has to go there. There we go. Okay. Project description. Actually, I could put Learning Journal at the top. Project description. Next step will be bibliography, then final report, then slide presentation, then artwork. So we're gonna, order them in that way. And then if you scroll down, you should see this, the save button. You click on save, and then if all goes well, it says the page element is added. So I go back to view blog, and now I've got this list of links across the top of my site. When I click on any of these links, it's going to go to a standalone page. Obviously this first one, if I click on that, it's going to go right to where it is, right? So it's the learning journal page, and that's the way I want that. And then when I've drafted my project description, I will then put it on this page. So I'm just going to click the link now, and you'll just see it's a blank page. So all I have to do is click on the edit button and put my project description there, and the same with these other bibliography, etc. So then you're pretty much set up. You're ready to sort of start moving through the further steps of creating your project blog. And I'll talk about some other things in a different tutorial, how to get rid of some stuff like this, so you can either allow or not comments, and do some design and aesthetic work too. And I'll do a separate tutorial for that.